Hey, it's JP Braaaper from the world's best snowmobile destination, and today we're going to talk safety. Not the kitchen kind where you're never to stick a fork in a toaster, but snowmobile safety. We want to ensure that you have the best possible snowmobile experience and return home safe with nothing but great memories from your trip. To do that, we ask that you pay attention to this short video and share it with your riding buddies. Before you even arrive, do your research. Plan your route and pre-book your accommodations. Things get busy in the height of winter, so make sure you come prepared. Be that geek that gives everyone in the group an itinerary, complete with emergency contacts and your route. You can never be too prepared. You never want to be that individual who 20 kilometers into a trip blows a track because you failed to inspect it before coming. Give your sled the once-over, or better yet, have a professional go through it to ensure it's ready for the big ride. Sled parts and services can be limited within some regions here in the north. Always tell people where you're going and when you expect to be back. Lots of people you can tell. Tell your family, place where you're staying. Even leave a note on the dash of your truck with your departure time, your return time, and a phone number. The more people you tell, the better. And check back in on your return. Don't make them send the town after you. Don't forget your cell phone. A cell phone isn't just useful for taking pictures and texting your buddies. It can be a lifeline in case of emergency. Be sure to keep it warm and pack an extra charging stick just in case. Please be aware that cell coverage can be limited within some areas of the north. And if you like to venture off trail, consider bringing a sat phone or spot device. Hello? Mom, I'm in the middle of something. Yeah. I'll call you soon. Bye. Pack a first aid kit and know what's in it. You always hope you never have to use it, but when you do, make sure you know how. Also, throw a few energy bars in there just in case you get stranded. Frozen energy bar is way better than tree bark. Or not. There's nothing like riding on a minus 30-degree bluebird day, but you have to have the right gear. Temps can dip here in the north, so come prepared for everything. You can always take layers off, but it's hard to put more on if you don't have them. Leather suits, high windshields, neck warmers, extra socks, and heated vests are your best friend out here. Also, watch for your buddies for signs of frostbite. Ride within your abilities and never ride alone. When compared to Southern Ontario, the distances are greater between communities and stops. Don't overestimate your iron butt power. If you see fuel, fill it up. That's the ultimate rule. Again, the distance between stops here in the north can be greater, and depending on your sled's fuel mileage and your trigger finger, fuel economy can vary. Be aware of fuel stations and check ahead to make sure they're open. Either way, pack extra fuel if possible, just in case. Let's talk ice. Not the kind you need for that drink on the rocks. We're talking lake or river ice. Only, and we mean only, ride on ice on an open marked OFSC trail. Ice can be unpredictable and dangerous to you and your sled, so follow between the orange stakes and stay safe. Familiarize yourself with how to self-rescue if you do fall through the ice. Quick Google search and it'll put you in front of articles and videos. Better be safe than sorry. Always check the OFSC Interactive Trail Guide for any important local updates for trail issues such as forestry operations and trail closures. The ITG is updated more regularly than you and your morning ritual. Hey, I like this new suit though. Oh yeah, it's a floater. It's new by Ski Rule. Yeah, they just come out with it. Warm, so warm. Yeah. Never know, eh? Just in case. And there you have it. That wasn't so painful, was it? Follow these simple rules and you'll be sure to have a great trip with your sled headlights. Strap on, people. Strap on, people.